Hello, my wonderful, amazing artists. It's me, Miss Abby, your art teacher, and today we are gonna travel underwater to create a artwork inspired by life under the sea, specifically coral reef fish, and how on their bodies they have these wonderful patterns of stripes. And for this project, we're going to create a coral reef fish puppet, or maybe more than one if you're feeling adventurous. For this, you'll need some paper. This is going to be paper that we're cutting out. So if you have a paper that has, something like this, maybe you use part of it, it's a little scrappy, that's totally fine today. That's actually pretty awesome because it means you're recycling, and you can use plain white or colorful if you want. And we're gonna need some scissors, and then your choice of a glue stick or a glue bottle, or even tape will work for this project, a pencil, and your choice of coloring supply, whether that's marker, crayon, or colored pencil. First, we're going to grab our pencil, because we can erase, and draw a fish. And as you can see, fish come in lots of different shapes and sizes. A really simple way of getting started is to do a football-shaped fish. But if you want to draw a shark today, let's do a shark. If you want to do a seahorse, do a seahorse. We're just getting inspired by the wonderful creatures of the ocean and their bright and vibrant colors. Let's go. So here's how I do. I call it a football fish, shaped like a football. See, that's a base shape, and it's shaped kind of like a football, so two curvy lines. Then we got a little tail and a fin. Top and bottom fins, those are shaped like triangles. A smile, some gills, and a face. Then I'm gonna use this kind of wavy line to create some texture that looks like a fish's scales. I'm thinking about rainbow fish. Okay, next you're gonna add color. I'm gonna use markers from my art kit. Ta-da, here's my fish all drawn out. And I decided to bring some crayons to the party because I find that marker does an amazing job with these strong, bold, dark lines. And crayon does like nice, soft washes of color. And I wanted to use their differences together because I think drawing supplies are strong. Their differences make them stronger when you bring them together. Next, I'm going to cut this out. Now, there's a big amount of usable space that I'm going to use for another part of this project. And I'm going to do what's called a bubble cut. That's where I cut a big kind of cloud bubble shape around the item first. In this case, a fish. And then I cut out the details. And you'll see how it works. Okay, so I cut the bubble out, and I noticed that this paper is like probably a usable amount of paper, so I'm going to save this and set it aside and use it for part of my puppet. Now I'm going to cut out the details very carefully with my scissors. Okay, so I have my fish nicely cut out, and I have my scrap of paper that I folded up real good. Also use a piece of cardboard the same way. This is just a scrap from my recycling bin. And we're gonna grab, you can use either a roll of tape, glue stick, glue bottle, up to you. And we're going to put a thin, shiny layer, cap our glue stick so it doesn't dry out, And then we're going to attach it to the back and then hold it and smooth it out. I like to grab my hand, kind of like a crab claw, and hold it down for 10 seconds just to make it strong. And then we have this wonderful, wonderful, wonderful fish puppet. And if you have two, you can even have them tell a story to each other and have characters that relate, which would be really fun. I had a lot of fun making this. I think next I'm going to create a tiger shark, because that's a shark with an interesting pattern on it. Isn't that cool? And I'm going to give that a try, because I know we all love sharks here. Bye. Have fun making art. I hope you give this a try. It was really fun. Bye.